Yeah, we hear Norman Jess and Carl and Carenza have been smoozing in the penthouse in Sydney. We didn't get a penthouse visit, but we don't need one because we're looking at beautiful houses like this.
This house here has penthouse qualities, but it's a standalone house. We don't need a penthouse. Come on, look at us. We're like human penthouses.
Thanks for having us
Yeah, no
over.
worries.
We're really keen to look at your house and learn a little bit more about it.
Yeah.
Got a project in Malabar.
Yes.
And they're cooking. It's really hot.
Yep.
We've heard you've got an insulated sort of wrap around your house.
We utilise the Bondor structural insulated panels,
Yep.
which we've noticed since the 5 months we've been here has been fantastic for insulation with all different climates. It remains quite moderate inside as long as we keep the blinds closed. We've noticed when we put aircon on, it's not on for very long and the house then remains cool or warms up relatively quickly. So
perfect.
it's been
been good.
fantastic.
It looks great too, doesn't it?
It looks fantastic.
It does. You can use any cladding options on that as well, so you can get any look and feel that you're after, which makes it very versatile.
Could be really good for what we're looking for
Yeah.
at Malabar.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, this is absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous.
guys.
We heard that you did this house in 7 days.
Yeah.
That's
The
right.
entire house.
Yes.
So it turns out you can wrap an old house in cladding.
That's crazy.
Because we were told you can't.
Okay, yes. So this house went out in 7 days to lockup stage. So essentially that means windows, doors. It was a very quick up process. They constructed in a warehouse. So another fantastic thing about the product is that your architectural designs are built to the millimetre because it's all done by technological equipment that can construct the essentially the Tetris walls in that warehouse.
We are here in Wollongong and we have had nothing but good news all morning. We were told you couldn't wrap an old house in this stuff, this Bondor stuff, okay?
We can do exactly what we propose to do.
Absolutely.
And there's minimal disruption to the family in
None.
the house because it's super fast.
Very fast.
Good
7
news.
days. They put this house up in 7 days, lockup.
Tell us about some of your selections, like your colours and your choices that you've made here.
Yeah, so we try to stick real monochrome. We're pretty inspired by the front recycled brick and also, I guess, the staircase, which is a main feature of the home. So
Beautiful.
with the recycled brick and the steel, it really kind of embodied that kind of abstract style to a sense. So we try to stick with the concrete looks, the blacks, the greys, the whites, and make it a little bit funky. We'll try to anyway.
It's amazing. You've definitely succeeded. It looks
Thank
very
you.
beautiful.
Thanks
It's
very much.
very funky. I mean, I'm not the interior decorator between the both of us. If it was up to me, there'd be a mattress on the floor and that TV.
It's a practicality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just a esky next to me or something.
Minimalist.
Yeah, just minimal.